All right, I wanted to be a little more specific on how I did this thing with this ramp. Like I said, for most people, it's not a big deal. Yeah, you put your bike on there, leave the ramp up. There's plenty of room behind the bike right now. But if you're gonna leave it up on the stand, you could be walking around your stand doing work to your bike. The ramp always seems to have gotten in my way. Usually I pull it off, set it against the wall or set it underneath. Not really a big deal, but I just found something here the other day, just sitting here doing nothing, and it just kind of come to me. So I want to show you a little more specific detail of what it did. So it's actually sitting on a safety bar. I'm going to raise it up to show you that what I did, even with the safety bar in, the ramp will still hang there. So just to show you, okay, that's, you know, it's not up all the way, but anyway, I'm gonna put this back in and pull this ramp out where it ain't in the way. Just pull it out, kind of hang it right on these washers I put on. And just to show you that it goes back onto the safety bar and it still doesn't hit the ground. So there it is. It's pretty close. So now what I wanted to show you was, here's what I did. Just had a couple of flat washers laying around here in the garage. These are 1.25 inches outer diameter, inner diameter is about 1/2 inch. You just need something that'll receive the pins on these on this ramp. And that's what I used. And literally, all I did was this. Like I said, don't judge my welding because I'm definitely not a welder. I just literally took from this hole, centered it, and drew it straight down, because these two holes here will not line up. As you can see, I basically almost straight up and down. I put one on, and then I made sure the other one's going to line up, and I just tacked it on like with cheap. I got a cheap Harbor Freight welder here. Like I said, my welds don't look the greatest. But it ain't like it's holding 1,000 pounds. It's only holding, 60 pounds, 30 pounds. I don't know what this thing weighs. But anyway, just wanted to show a little more detailed. There you have it. Like I said, it's not going to come out there. Now the big thing is, just remember that you have it on there before you go to let it down, because you go to let it down, it's probably going to wedge. So, something I just had laying around the house here, and even if you got to go and buy a couple washers, I mean, you're only talking a couple bucks to do a little upgrade. If you don't have a welder, maybe somebody you know can bring one by, and literally 10 minutes, and it's done. Great little upgrade in my opinion, because now you can walk around. If I want to bring a car in, the ramp ain't sticking out, ain't in the way, and ain't sitting against the wall or anything.